If you're on the fence about getting a motorcycle, man, I hope this is your sign, bro. Look at this, man. It's different being in a car, I promise you. Being in a car is still pretty, but on a bike, man, dude, this is different, bro. This is the closest thing to fucking horseback riding. And I heard that's different too. But you're on a mechanical horse, bro, like, Jesus. You're breathing the fresh air, you're in the elements, like, nothing beats this. Like going to crazy, beautiful places on a motorcycle. Excuse me. Man. Wow. This is so, like, man. This is so beautiful, bro. I can't even concentrate on the ride, bro. I'm just so amazed. I'm a city boy, man. I didn't grow up in this. I can't believe people grew up in places like these, man. Gorgeous, bro. Beyond blessed, man. If you were on the fence of getting a motorcycle, man, I hope this is your sign. If you're on the fence about getting a motorcycle, get it. Stop being scared. Follow the blueprint. I've laid it all out for you. Just follow the blueprint. You know what I'm saying? Jesus. It's like a video game, man. Stress reliever, man. Like, all the worries that I've ever had are gone right now. I'm just in the moment with these trees on this machine. Just cruising, man. Twisties, it's so fun. Beyond blessed, man. Get that bike. You'll thank me later. Beyond blessed, man. So beautiful, man. Beyond blessed. My helmet is so tight to my face right now. Full tank of gas, man. That's dirt. I don't like dirt. Man. What a view. Fresh air. This thing is beautiful. All right. Let's get out of here. Visor's fogging up. Let's get out of here before my wife kills me. It's always gonna be a quick ride. Man, brother. Get that bike, man. It's worth it. Worth every penny, man. I'm starving. Hey, I don't care what anybody says, bro. Freddy's is better than In-N-Out. And if you think otherwise, your opinion doesn't matter, to be honest. I don't really care. Freddy's is better than In-N-Out. It's a smash burger, first of all. Second of all, I don't have to wait 17,000 hours for a fucking mediocre burger that's $5. It's cool. Don't get me wrong, it's cool. It has its place. But I don't get what all the craze is for In-N-Out, man. In-N-Out is not that good, bro, to be honest. And this is an opinion coming from somebody that's from the East Coast, right? I'm from Jersey. So I just don't get it. I don't get why people go crazy over In-N-Out. It's not that good. Every In-N-Out, bro, this motherfucking In-N-Out can be in Afghanistan. That should have a line wrapped around 3 times around the damn place. I get it, but I just don't understand. I get it, it's an affordable burger, but I just don't understand, bro, like, what all the hype is about, bro. Freddy's is way more fire. Like, I'd rather eat 10 of those burgers than 10 of the In-N-Out burgers. You know what I'm saying? Animal style fries, that's cool. But by the time you get home or eat it in the car, by the time you pull away from the window, that cheese is stiff as fuck. That cheese is stiffer than my fucking meat. Pause. Damn, I'm tripping. That cheese is stiffer than... That cheese is fucking cardboard. Beautiful. Jesus, man, this is beautiful. Wow. I should pull over right there, but it's all good. We'll come back here another time. But wow. Beautiful. I'm one with nature right now, dude. I'm in the elements. Going 35. 36. I'm in the elements. I feel like we're so out of tune with nature, man. Like, we're inside of our cars that have all this technology, safe from the elements. Like, I'm a little cold right now, but I'm cool with it, right? Like, we're so in our bubbles, so we're so safe, like, we're so, like, stuck in this endless cycle of go to work, come home, shower, eat, take care of the kids if you got kids, study for school if you're going to school, play play video games, then do the same shit again. Wake up, go to work, come home. You know, it's this endless cycle of like, low key is misery, man. Low key, it is misery. You know what I'm saying? If you want some excitement, replace that video game session with this, man. Get a bike. Tell your wife, you know, hey, I literally told my wife, hey baby, I'm it's gonna be only a 2-hour ride. I'll be back at home. And I'll be loving on you and taking care of the babies with you. Right? It's all about compromise, man. This is good for your mental health, but I promise you, bro, you'll be happier, man. After every ride, I'm just happy. Not too long ago, right before my 16-hour shift, it was a Friday. I had a 16-hour shift on Saturday. I said, you know what? Let me go ahead. Let me go for a ride. I went for a ride, 2.5-hour ride, came back home. I felt refreshed, relieved, right? Like I was chill. I was mellow, man. I was chilling. I was happy. I woke up. I only had like 5 hours of sleep. I woke up refreshed mentally. I went to work. I was happy. Right? People at work were like, hey, man, what happened, man? You got something for the lady or something? That's how happy I was. They thought I had some. I had got some. But I didn't. It's amazing, man. Look, you see that object right there? You know what I'm saying? I'm telling you, you take that damn track class. You'll put the bike where you want it. But man, best decision in my life, man, is buying a motorcycle.